Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using one-tap measurement on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The one-tap measurement feature lets you measure all of your health indicators in one go. It will measure your heart rate, stress level, your blood oxygen, and your breath rate. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu. Then tap One Tap Measuring. Tap the play button. Make sure that the watch is tightly on your wrist and in the correct position. Then tap the tick to start measuring. Now try to stay as still as possible for the measurement. It will take 45 seconds to measure everything. You can now see your measurements. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.